today we're going to be talking about making $3,220 daily with AI generated video. I'm going to show you how you can get started for just $1 today with a tool called RANKER. And I'm going to show you how you can go through our step-by-step checklist for free with tons and tons of videos that show you everything you need to do to start earning money online. So I'm going to leave all of the things I talk about in the description of this video so you can get started today. And if you're interested in keeping updated with the content that I've been building around how to earn money with AI, make sure you reply with the word yes in the comments, and I will keep you updated. So let's talk about how this system works. I'm going to show you how you can get started in just about an hour of setting up. You can actually make sales today if you do what I'm about to share with you. I'm going to show you the easy way to get started, and then I'm going to show you a little bit more of a complicated way to get started, okay? So let's talk about the way the tool works. So right now, enter in your email here, and then you're going to click on the Get RANKER for just $1. You can also grab the checklist while you're there for free. Sign up for the $1, and then you're going to get taken to the tool. Now, inside the tool, we're going to be focusing specifically on the AI video tool today. There's a lot of really cool things inside of RANKER. If you want to check out the different features, you can go to the checklist and go through all the different features inside of the tool. But right now, we're just going to be focusing on this one. Now, if I click on AI video tools here, I'm going to get taken to a few different tools, but all we really want to use today is just this video generator tool. So we're going to click on Use Tool. And the way this tool works is we're actually able to generate videos on autopilot that look like this. Basically, we have a AI avatar. This is actually just a picture of me that I uploaded. And then we're going to actually use a automatic system to take video of websites so we can do these top website type videos. And if you haven't seen these videos before, they get tons of views. If I go over to YouTube or any sort of platform that does short form content, and I type in top websites, you're going to see videos like this get tons of views, 1.3 million views, 1.2 million views, 16 million views, 2.8 million views. And all of these videos are talking about is just the top different websites. And so that's why we built this into RANKER to automate these videos for you. So if I go to RANKER and I upload a list of websites, I can click on change right here. Upload any spreadsheet I want. Now, if you don't have your own spreadsheet of websites, we can head over to and enter our info. It just asks for an email, and you will get taken to this checklist that you can actually upload into RANKER. And this is a bunch of websites that either utilize AI or have some sort of way to get paid through these websites. A lot of these have affiliate programs. So that means you can get paid to promote the websites. But we're going to specifically talk about focusing on promoting RANKER today, just because I've already kind of built a system for you that already works. But if I click on download XLSX, I can grab this spreadsheet here. Now, if I only want to do a few websites at a time also, I can just delete as many websites as I want in here, and I can put my own websites too. So if I don't want to talk about ConvertKit or Buffer, I can change this out and say, I want to talk about Midjourney, for example. And I can have my description here, or I can have RANKER rewrite the description as well. So inside of the settings here, if I click on settings, I'm going to upload whatever spreadsheet. Right now, I'm just using a spreadsheet with only 5 websites in it. I'll show you what it looks like. If I click on this, it will show me what's currently in here. Right now, we just have RANKER, Midjourney, 11 Labs, Radar, and Hugging Face, okay? And they all have definitions here. And obviously, if I don't want to do the definitions myself, I could always head over to the website or use the ChatGPT function inside of RANKER to write me out a definition for the checklist. So anyways, when I go into this tool here and I'm in the settings, I upload the spreadsheet, and then I can choose how many videos I want. So let's say I want 5 videos, and I'm going to say I don't want to rewrite the script. I just want RANKER to give me the videos just as they are, just as the descriptions are. I don't want them rewritten. And then I'm going to choose my voice model. In this case, I'll just use Josh. Now, these are all pre-made voices, but pretty soon you're going to be able to select your own AI voice. You're going to be able to clone your own voice into here. So you can select your own voice. And then all I'm going to do is click on generate. I don't want to use subtitles because the subtitles sometimes can be a little bit off. We're still working on those, but let's click on generate. And it says generate 5 videos, generate. And now these videos are going to be generated. So right now the videos, what they're going to look like just by themselves is they're just going to be just these top 5 websites. So let me show you what one of these looks like. I'm just going to click on this here so you can listen to it.
The first website is Midjourney. Midjourney helps you generate AI images of anything you can imagine. The second website is Radar.io. Radar lets you schedule your content in bulk on social media. The third website is 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an AI software company in the USA, creating advanced text-to-speech technology with natural-sounding speech synthesis. The fourth website is RANKER.
Okay, so it's just the top 5 websites. And right now the websites are just being randomized. So we're probably going to add a feature so they're not randomized, but the way the tool works is it's taking one at random, then it's taking the other one randomly, and it's just making a top 5 list over and over. So we just have a bunch of random top 5 websites, okay? So you can imagine if you had 100 websites in here, by the way, you would be able to generate a lot of really unique content, especially if you're enabling the script rewrite with ChatGPT, okay? So now while these are loading, I'm going to explain what all these other things are in here. So first of all, we have this little check mark, and it should check all of them automatically. It might just be because it's loading. But this will actually allow you to either bulk delete the videos if you don't want them, or you can click on download, and it'll actually download you a spreadsheet of all the videos that you can actually import into another tool called Radar that'll schedule out all these videos in bulk for you. Now, also we have the intro and outro button. Well, actually, let's talk about the status. This means it's processing, obviously. It means it's not done yet. Completed means that they're done. And then intro and outro, this is where you can actually use an AI avatar to go and do the intro and outro, okay? So these just stopped, these just finished. So let me show you how that works. If I press play, let's just see one of them really quick.
The first website is Midjourney. Midjourney.
Okay, so we got that. Now, if I click on intro and outro for that video, I can select Josh again here. And again, if I had my own AI cloned voice, which we're adding in soon, we'll be able to do that instead. I'm going to click on a link. I'm going to say, okay, I want to upload an image of, I don't know, me or let's just do an AI avatar instead of me. But I could do obviously me. It's any sort of image that you want. And then I can do my custom intro. Okay, so I'm going to say these AI websites are going to change your life. Okay. Now, that's the intro. Now I want an outro as well. So I'm going to click on link and upload. I'm going to choose the AI avatar again, same one. I could choose a different one if I wanted to, or a different voice. I'm going to choose Josh's voice again. And then for the outro text, I'm going to say, for all of these websites, reply with the word yes. Or if you're interested in a free checklist of 400 AI websites, respond with the word yes right now. Okay, and so what that's going to do is it's going to get us a bunch of comments. And then as the comments come in, we can send them our opt-in. We can send them our landing page that gives them all these tools and all this free stuff. And the best part is ShineRanker is set up where you can actually refer people to ShineRanker, to the homepage, right? You can sell ShineRanker, and then you actually get a 40% commission every time they pay. Okay, so we'll talk about that more in a second, but let me just go ahead and click on create intro and outro. And this will create us our intro and outro. And then while that's loading, all these other fields, by the way, these are all what's going to get imported into social media. So I can choose my scheduling, how often I want to post these videos, what times, what the title, what the caption, what the comment is. We're going to add ChatGPT in here as well, so it'll generate all this for you. But if I click on combine intro and outro, now it will go ahead and combine the intro and outro with the top 5 videos. And you're going to see pretty quickly that we already have a video that we're going to be able to post on social media. Okay. And this is really cool because we can do this for any industry, right? If we wanted to do this for, top dog food websites, top real estate websites, it doesn't matter. Okay. So let's click on, I think this is the one we just did. Hold on. Let me refresh this just to see. Yeah, I think that's the one. Let's press, I accidentally did it for one that was before this, but it should still be fine. Let me press play here.
These AI websites are going to change your life. The first website is Midjourney. Midjourney helps you generate AI images of
So you can see it's 43 seconds. If I go to the end, it'll give us our call to action as well.
generates you any AI video you can think of. If you're interested in a free checklist of 400 AI websites, respond with the word yes right now.
Okay, so then we're going to get all these comments. Now, what's even cooler about this is inside of this free checklist I told you about earlier, not the tools checklist, but the step-by-step checklist, I actually show you as well how to use robots to automatically respond to these comments, because you can set up an automation that will respond with your actual affiliate links too and send people to our funnel. And what's really, really cool about this is you don't even have to sell people on this. I'll go and sell them our tools and our products for you. And let me just show you this automation here. Look at this. We can automatically respond to our comments. Anytime somebody comments on our post with the word yes, I can say, hey, it's Chase with ShineRanker. I sent you a DM, and then it'll actually go and automatically DM these people as well. And this works on Instagram and Facebook. So if you want to see that full step-by-step setup, go to ManyChat setup inside the free checklist, okay? So we got our content now, right? And what I can do is I can just go straight post this content on social media like this. Look, I just posted a video like this. Instead of using an avatar, I used a picture of my face. It's got 283 views, but that's just on one account, right? So I can go and schedule this out on as many accounts as I want, because I can use a tool like Radar to go and click on this button, and I can either do a new post, drag that video in I just got, like so. Oh, did I save it? I might have not saved it yet. Let's go save it. I think this is the one. We're going to go ahead and right click, save as, save it with some random name. And we're going to go to Radar, drag it in, and then I can post this as a reel. Oh, might have to do it like this manually. I can go post this as a reel on as many social media channels as I want to connect, right? So if I want to connect 10 Facebook pages, 10 Instagram pages, TikTok, whatever I want, I can go do that. And then this will go and schedule all of this out automatically. Now, what's really cool about ShineRanker though, is that, Radar, is that you can, Radar and ShineRanker, is that you can actually go and you can set all these up in advance, click on download, and then you just drag this import directly into Radar, and you can have hundreds of these videos scheduled out at a time. Look at this. That whole checklist I just created, or that whole dashboard of videos I just created inside of ShineRanker. Look, I can schedule them all out automatically, okay? So you can see how quickly you can start getting views, because even if you get a couple hundred views per profile and you have all these videos scheduled out every day, and then you have on top of it all these profiles that you're scheduling out to, those views are going to start adding up really quickly, okay? And then all we have to do, so inside of ShineRanker, let me show you this. When we go to ShineRanker here and we enter our email and we click on Get ShineRanker for $1, all we have to do is add /partner to the end of ShineRanker, okay? If I type that in, it says here I can't be an affiliate of my own product, but if I'm on a private browser, this is what you're going to see when you type this in. It'll ask you to sign up. You enter your info, enter whatever email you have, whatever affiliate ID you want, and then you'll actually get a link where you can send people to the ShineRanker homepage with your video. So when you click on view here on the products, you connect your PayPal, this is how you're going to get paid. It'll ask you which page do you want to promote. You're going to click on homepage. You're going to copy the homepage link. And then all you have to do is send people to the ShineRanker homepage with your AI content, like I just showed you. Now, when you send people here with your link, it's going to say shineranker.com/your affiliate ID. Okay, let's say your ID is like best affiliate marketer AI guy or girl. You send them to this. Now, when they enter their email goes into my system. I then send them videos like the video you're watching right now. I go and make videos in the checklist so they watch step by step how to earn money with ShineRanker. I send them all the stuff they need. And as they're paying money for ShineRanker, right? They're paying $97 a month for ShineRanker. After their 14-day trial is up, you're getting 40% reoccurring commissions every single time those hit, okay? And we have a ton of people that are earning money promoting our products. I actually just made a post about this in our Discord group, and we have all these people in here that are earning, look at this. This affiliate earns $75,000, $45,000, $23,000, $21,000, $10,000. And the other thing is when you're paying for ShineRanker, you also get licensing to my other content. So there's people right now that are posting my content on social media, like on Facebook, on Instagram, all these different platforms. And yeah, they're videos of me, but they get thousands and thousands of views because I've already made a lot of this viral content already. And the cool thing is if you post on Facebook and Instagram, what happens is those platforms don't seem to have duplicate content penalties. So you can just post my content all day along with this AI generated content and get tons of views. Look at this guy, AI Toolbox. Look him up on Facebook, 30,000 followers. These are all my videos. Look at, he just posted this video that I already made, 102 comments, all saying, yes, I want to learn more. All he has to do is send them to the ShineRanker homepage with his affiliate link. And you could be doing this all day with multiple accounts. And inside of the checklist, the free checklist I told you about earlier, if you go to the fast track, this is the fastest way to get started. You can click on this drive folder that's only available to people who are paying the $1 trial to ShineRanker. And I give you all of my content that you can just start posting. You just download this, start posting on social media. I even give you my questions that I ask. These are all question-based posts that get people to say yes to these offers. So I have all of this set up for you already. All you have to do is just start going through the checklist, get ShineRanker for $1 and start generating content. Now, I will tell you that these features in ShineRanker are still in beta. So the intro and outro feature is going to be out very soon. It's not out yet. It's only available for me because I am testing it. But all of this stuff will be in your dashboard very, very soon. Right now, you still can make the top 5 videos. You just can't do the intros and outros yet. And some of the updates we're going to be adding into ShineRanker, I think are going to absolutely blow you away. This is just the beginning. And you can get started today literally for $1 and start following along within the checklist, okay? Now, we also even have a setup option. If you go to dfysetup.com, we'll just go and set all this stuff up for you. Now, the price on the dfysetup.com is going up soon, so make sure you go to dfysetup.com right now if you want us just to go set this up for you. But for $500, we'll go set up this whole thing for you. We'll load in all the content in your accounts. We'll set you up with your affiliate link so you can start sending traffic. And literally we'll schedule out like hundreds and hundreds of days of posts for you so you don't have to wait. You can just get started earning money with our system within the next 24 hours if you get started today. Now, it's not guaranteed that you're going to make money right within the first 24 hours, but getting our content imported to your account is going to give you a significantly higher chance of getting sales, especially if you're not doing anything yet, if you're not doing any content. We're going to give you this exact thing that AI Toolbox is doing. Again, this is just an affiliate of ours that's reposting all of our content. All the content's scheduled out. We'll go and schedule this content out for you. So go to dfysetup.com if you want us to do it for you. If you want to do it yourself, go to ShineRanker.com. And if you're already on the landing page, go and check out the free checklist and go grab the $1 trial. So I hope that helps you. If it does, let me know. Reply with the word yes, and we'll see you very soon. Till we do, happy money making. We'll see you next time. Bye.